Are BMWs a mechanic's best friend, constantly in for a tune-up? When you sign the papers for a BMW, you're not just getting a set of wheels, but an oath of frequent visits to the mechanic as well. You'll grin at the purr of the engine, but grimace at the service cost. So let's put the money where the mileage is. BMWs are rich in tech and performance, which means they've got more under the hood that can ask for attention. It's a luxury car, after all, which in layman's terms means buying the car is just the first transaction. But are they always breaking down? Not necessarily. They're not as fragile as a house of cards, but they do come with a high standard of maintenance. If you're not religiously rotating those tires, changing the oil and checking the fluids, it'll rebel against you in the form of repair bills. A BMW is like that high-performance athlete that needs a specific diet and constant physio. You keep it up to its regiment, and it'll deliver that world-class performance. If not, you'll see the maintenance light more often than your check engine light would like. And that light doesn't shine cheap. For those in the realm of used BMWs in Portland, Oregon, or any place where rain is a frequent flyer, remember that moisture and complex electronics can have a love-hate relationship. When they decide it's a hate day, guess who's visiting the mechanic? But does high maintenance have to be a deal-breaker? Not if you're a true enthusiast. There's a reason BMWs are a symbol of joy and performance. Keep up with the routine maintenance, find a good local mechanic who doesn't charge you sky-high, and you'll savor a remarkable driving experience. Just don't act surprised when your BMW wants a little more TLC than your average set of wheels. Loving something exquisite does come at a cost. Ask anyone committed to a high-maintenance relationship.